Hey guys, it's Chris here at Southern Supply. Going to talk to you about some great steel products. You see the dark's going to caught me out here working in the yard, but nonetheless, we got the BG86. We get a lot of questions about how it compares to the gas counterpart, the BG86. Very comparable, nearly the same power in my book. I love the battery operated tools. I was a huge advocate of them way before I was a dealer. When I was in my logging days, I used the battery pole saws and different things like that. Here at the house now, all my tools in the yard are also batteries. So this right here is kind of one of the professional ones that uses the AP 300 to 500. So this is the 300 right here. Weight is one thing we get asked. Are they heavy? Not really. This right here is roughly a little over 6 pounds. When you put the battery with it, you're about 10 pounds. So pretty comparable to the gas model as well. Power-wise, very comparable. One thing with the battery right here, if you notice when you hit the button, it will tell you how much power or how much fuel, so to say, you have left. You see we got one bar, I'm about done used it up. Take it right here in the end, drop it in, push it all the way. Like I said, we still see we got one bar of fuel. Here on the operator control panel, we give the trigger just a bump right there. You see we on 1 bar, 2 bar, or 3 bar. That's the power levels, low, medium, and high. You pull the trigger right there, and you press the button, and you'll see I hold it, no hands on. Press it again, it goes off. You don't have to hold the trigger, so I like that. Like I said, it's got a comfort grip, really well, nice balance. Power-wise, this is going to blow roughly, I think, 157 miles an hour, 459 CFM. It's hard for me to really say, hey, is that good or bad? So just like the trash we got right here, you see, we get going, that's on low. You see, on the high, we can blow them actually all the way from here. So really long ways on that. Cost is another thing. Just the bare unit right here, if you already got your batteries and chargers, is really well priced at $219. If you don't have the battery, it's $569 with the charger and the battery right here. That is a lot of money, guys. I'm not going to be pivoting on you on that one. What you got to think about with this is you're buying all your fuel up front. So once you get your battery, you can add on chainsaws, hedge trimmers, weed eaters, lawnmowers, all that sort of stuff. A lot more economically. Plus the battery is kind of where your money's at. Another thing is, why would I want to pay more for steel than I would one at the big box store? They're much cheaper. Number one, you don't have 10,000 dealers nationwide at the big box store. Once you go back there, as you know, you got to deal with somebody at the counter. They're going to send it off. We give you a 1-800 number. When you deal with me or any other steel dealer, we're going to take it right there across the counter. I'm going to take it back in the back. We got some diagnostic tools that we got to it to analyze it. Tells us what the problem is, and then we'll make the repair for you. If we can't make the repair because of components are too far gone, while it's in the warranty period, we will actually give you a new unit. So it's really hard to beat that warranty. Another thing I hear is I'm scared about the battery power stuff being outside. It might get caught in the rain or what have you. They are IPX4 rated. That's another one of those things. It's hard for me to really say, hey, what does that mean? But from Stihl's standpoint, it means it's made for splash. So a drizzle, rain, what have you, it's made to take it. What I'm going to show you is what Chris is going to show you. This is not what Stihl recommends. But you see we're right here at the pool. We're blowing off right here. And something happens and I forget that I don't put the drop it in the pool. As you see, I just did. And you notice the light is still on green. We're going to jump in. We're going to save it. We're going to get it out as fast as we can because we don't supposed to. You notice it's giving us a red reading right there, which is telling us, hey, you got me wet. I don't supposed to be wet. I'm going to take this battery out and wait for it to quit blinking red. I'm going to pour all the water out of it I possibly can. And as soon as that happens, I'm going to put it back in, check everything out. It's good to go. Guys, the ones at the big box store ain't going to do that. Come see me or any other steel dealer. We'd love to help you with this, guys. Thanks.